How to open Netflix account in your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can create or sign up for a Netflix account right from your phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, even if we are doing this process from the phone, we will not use the Netflix application because on iOS, you'll not be able to create an account using the Netflix tab. So just for the overall basis of this video, I will just open up my browser. And if you're on iPhone, open up Safari. If you're on Android, you can open any browser you like and then just go to netflix.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can simply tap on that link in order to come to this URL. Once you come to netflix.com, you can see I have not yet created an account. So all you have to do is first of all enter your email address in this box. So make sure that you have access to this email address and also make sure that previously none of the accounts have created a Netflix account with this specific email. So I have not yet created a Netflix account with this email, which is why I'm showing you guys. Now just tap on the get started button. If you've already created it, you can see it says welcome back, joining Netflix is easy. So just go ahead and then enter your password. So once you go ahead and then enter your password as well, what you need to do is just tap on the next button again, and as you tap on the next button, it will ask you to choose your plan. So we're going to go ahead and then choose a plan by tapping on the next option. Over here you can see we have 4 different plans. The mobile plan only supports 1 device watching at a time, and then you have a basic plan which offers you only 720 pixels. You have a standard plan that offers you 1080 pixels. The premium plan offers you 4K, which is you can also stream in 4K and other 4K streaming devices. For example, if you're only a single user, I would always recommend you to go to mobile. Now you might see this is only 480 pixels. There might be loss in quality, but let me assure you that I have a 480 pixel plan myself, but I'm not being able to see any loss in quality, and it's not really that noticeable because Netflix really has some good service. But if you choose any of the plan and if you want to downgrade and upgrade later on, you can always do that, but for now I just recommend it stick to whatever plan you wish and think is best fit for you. Once you select a specific plan for yourself, you can just tap on the next option over here, and once you tap on the next option, just choose your payment method such as your credit or debit card or your PayPal information. And then once you fill in all those details, you'll be able to successfully create a Netflix account as well as start watching right away because you have subscribed to Netflix. That's basically how you can open up a Netflix account on your phone. So as I said, you have to do it from your web browser regardless, even if the application does not offer the feature. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.